Hey everybody, this is Nicole. So I just finished up my live. If you weren't able to come, that's fine. I know everybody's busy. Go check it out. And I would super appreciate it if you did. We did a couple of fun things. And I poured the mold that is going to be that can be used to put in like bases of crochet baskets. I've seen stuff like that used in purses, but if it's resin, I don't know if I would necessarily use it as that. And then I poured a pill trinket tray, and then I had extra resin, so I poured a flower mold. Now, with that being said, this particular video is dun 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 dun. It is for my January or New Year's scavenger hunt giveaway. So I'm gonna show you what I'll be giving away. And like always, I will try to remember to use the same like cover, all the same verbiage. I will also create a short and link the short back to the long form because as I've said in all my other scavenger hunt giveaways, both videos are important because it might contain information that you will need to refer to later. So I am going to show you what I'm going to be giving away. Hopefully you like it. And like I've said before, I enjoy giving away well-rounded prizes. So yarn is fun, but so are including crochet hooks, project bags. I don't think I have any stitch markers. Pattern books are always fun. And so, and I think I've given away my last like row counter slash stitch counter. So with that being said, let's take a look at what I'm giving away. Okay, so I have my setup where I actually have a tripod that is tall enough so that I don't have to sit down and set it up and mess with it. Anyway, so make sure you're subscribed as always. You can see my purple hands. I wasn't wearing my gloves when I did my last extra pour, so sorry about that. They are dry. I've wiped them off the best that I can. So make sure you're subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, and then it's always nice if you can interact by leaving a comment, all that stuff, because then it helps push my videos out. I noticed that obviously my cat videos always do well, so it would be nice if these videos do well as well. And also same with my lives. But we'll get there. I know it's hard, especially when the lives are in the morning. People work. So anyhow, we shall get into what I'm going to be giving away. All right, first thing is I've got this pattern book by Nitpicks. It's Traverse Cabled Accessories. So from what I can see, it's got like scarves, cowls, hats, all kinds of fun things. So it's a nice, sturdy, quality book. And so I got this in one of my mystery boxes from Nitpicks, and I got two, so obviously I don't need two, so I'm giving one away. Then I am going to be giving away a whole package, and it's got 2, 4, 5, 10 skeins of Furls Wander yarn in this really nice mustardy color. It's called Camel, and it's a 4-weight. You can see there. And I'm gonna leave it in the package. It's brand new. I haven't opened it, I haven't touched it or anything. So you'll get 10 skeins. I'm sure you guys can figure out something to make with this amount of yarn. And this is not all the yarn I'm going to be giving away. Next, I will be giving away one of my Furls project bags. It's this nice black linen project bag. So you will get that, whoever the winner is. And then to make it complete, obviously you have to have a crochet hook. So it is one of Furls is Streamline hooks, and it's one of their metal hooks. I love their metal hooks. I don't know why. I just like the way it feels, just the sturdiness of it. So it's the red one, which I believe, from what I remember, is inspired by Taylor Swift, because she has an album called Red. So that's what it is, and it's, as you can see, it's a size I, which is, I know, one of the super popular size hooks. So whoever the winner is will also get this hook. It's a 5.5 millimeter size I red Furls Streamline metal hook. So this is a great prize. So I will put everything in that I've been gathered up so far in the project bag, and then there will be more items to come. So keep an eye out for the next video, which I'm hoping to post. I'm hoping tomorrow. I have to double check to see if I don't think I have anything going on. That's always the problem with doctor's appointments and all that stuff. It just kind of messes with my day. So with that being said, again, subscribe, like, comment down below. And then if you're watching this via short, just comment or click on the link for the related video, and it'll take you to this video. If you could do the same, like, subscribe, comment, that'll be fantastic. And I will do my best to bang out the prizes as quickly as possible, so that not only do you guys have enough time to enter with the scavenger hunt, and then hopefully I'll be able to ship them out before I go to Japan at the 1st of February. If not, it'll have to wait till I come back. And we don't come back until the 11th of February. So we'll be gone for 10 days. So, yeah. So I will see you guys in my next video with one of the projects that I made today. It's a prize for the giveaway that I just wrapped up. So I am going to try also to do a pre-recorded video unmolding that, along with the third project that I poured that wasn't on the live. Okay, so and keep an eye out for that, because you never know, you might need the information from that too. So bye.